A BC Supreme Court judge has ruled Quw'utsun Nation has Aboriginal title to 7.5 square kilometres in the City of Richmond, where privately owned homes are built on top of a historic village site. But what does Aboriginal title actually mean?
So Aboriginal title, the Supreme Court has said, gives the title holders the right to decide how the land will be used, the right to all economic benefits of the land. So far, the courts, especially the Supreme Court of Canada, has been hesitant to explicitly say Aboriginal title comes with lawmaking power.
Confused? You aren't alone. This lack of clarity goes back to colonial contact, says this former councillor for Musqueum Nation.
The uncertainty has always existed. It's existed for 150 years. The courts have repeatedly said the Crown needs to behave honorably and it needs to negotiate in order to resolve these things. And it's actually because the government has refused to do that work that we're in the uncertainty that we're in now.
So what does this mean in practical terms? The courts still don't know.
So province has certain jurisdiction over provincial territory. The feds have other jurisdictions, so both the provincial and federal jurisdiction can coexist because they cover different things.
What if you're a private property owner or a fee simple owner, in legal speak?
You can have fee simple land as a fee simple landowner. You have your property and a house, while the province still has jurisdiction. It seems, to my mind, and I think to most observers, that Aboriginal title would be a third order of lawmaking power, where the title holders would make laws over the Aboriginal title land alongside provincial and federal law. How they'll fit together, the public, I'm sure, is confused because it's not clear to any lawyers either. This is yet to be worked out.
In terms of the Quw'utsun case, this lawyer says the nation is not looking to repossess privately owned homes.
They've only sought to get land back from the government. In none of the cases Aboriginal title cases brought by Indigenous peoples to date have they sought to kick individual landholders off of their lands.